Hello everyone, welcome to Computer Science and IT Gate Coaching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the instant notification of my free lecture. So this is about me. I am a computer science gate faculty having more than 5 plus of teaching experience, mentored more than 50,000 students, taught in different coaching institute all over India. Okay, it's like the Gate Academy, even qualified multiple times Gate, and even I have given the coaching in many government colleges as well as in many private colleges. Like in SRM Chennai, I have given coaching. CAT Bhubaneswar, I have given. BC Bhagalpur, Jorhat College of Engineering, Guwahati University, Dibrugarh University, Government College of Engineering and Technology, Jammu, Ramgarh Engineering College. Okay, these are the colleges where I have went and I have given the coaching. A context-free grammar, a context-free grammar is in GNF if every production if every production is of the form of non-terminal derives terminal non-terminal star. Okay, S derives pi is in G if is in G is in G if pi belongs to language generated by this grammar. When pi belongs to LG, when pi belongs to LG, we assume that S does not appear. We assume that S does not appear on the RHS of right hand side of any production. The right hand side of any. Is it clear? So a context-free grammar is in GNF if every production is in the form of non-terminal derives one terminal, non-terminal star. Non-terminal derives one terminal, non-terminal star. S derives pi is in G if pi belongs to G is the grammar. Okay. G means grammar. L, this means language generated by this grammar. Okay. Language generated by this grammar. When pi belongs to language generated by this grammar, we assume that S does not appear on the right hand side of any production. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know. Main thing you have to remember that non-terminal should derive one terminal, then non-terminal star. Any combination of non-terminal, yeah, epsilon. So example you can write is derives A or A, B, C, D or B derives D. So first it should have one terminal. Every production will have one terminal, then it can have any combination of non-terminal, either epsilon or any combination, Understood? Now take one grammar. So here also in GATE they have asked that if the length of the string is mod W, then what number of steps you require to derive a string of length W. Okay, so I am taking a grammar and then I am trying to get the answer. This is a grammar which is in GNF. Now I want to generate the string AB. How I will do? A is the start symbol here. Okay, AB, then in place of B. See, I got two steps only. Length to two steps. Now, why here it is happening like this? Because in every production, in every derivation, I am going to get one symbol. Because always the syntax is non-terminal will first derive terminal, then non-terminal star. So here I will get one symbol, here I will get one symbol. I require two symbols only. So length 2. So whatever number of length will be there of the string, that many number of derivation we require. So if length of the string is mod W, then number of derivation we require is mod W only. Am I clear? Is it clear to everyone? So it is even your get previous year 1 marks. For 1 marks they have asked the number of steps. The number of steps required to generate a string of length w, is length w. Okay, is length w. So if the string length is w, then that many number of steps you require to generate the string. Okay. Now tell me, to derive a string, which one is faster? Either GNF is faster or CNF. GNF is faster or GNF? CNF or GNF? So comparing to CNF, deriving a string using GNF is much faster than much faster than CNF. If you are done with the writing, then please let me know.